Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 16th, 2023. Already saw one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Well, actually, it's a 4 stars. It has 24 printed digits, same as this one, the 4 stars. But we have here in this additional 3 puzzles left: the binary, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested, yes. Jigsaw Sudoku, no, the 4-star Sudoku, number 7459. And I've told you earlier, this one has 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, it's indicated with 4 stars. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 2s, 1 3, 3 4s, 3 4 5s. All right. 2 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 1 9. Yeah, 1 9. Well. Can I start with 5? Yeah. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, need a 5 here. Well, need a 5 there. Cannot continue with a 5 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about the 1? The 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. 5 9, and I need a 7 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5 7 9. 5 7 9, 5 7 9, 5 7 9. And look, we have 5 and a 7 in the middle column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left for this big square for number 9. 9. Yeah, 9. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 9 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 6 here, and I need 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And now I can continue with the 5, I believe. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have 5 in this middle row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the middle column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So I need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Cannot continue. Oh, well, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the row below, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7. 7. Yes. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the second column. So no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. We have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And now I can count, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. And what the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Well, need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Well. How about here? 2, 9, 289, 289. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6. Oh, 6 here. Need a 6 there. Here can be 6. Could be 6, could be 6. Well. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 8 here. Yeah, we have a pair of 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are a 9 and an 8. We have a 9 and an 8 in the middle column, so no 9 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. 9 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1. 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. That means here I need an 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. How about the 3? Okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here also. Need a 2 here. Yeah. We have 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. Then need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. Okay. Well, I've eliminated here the 7. Look, 7. Yeah, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 7 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 now in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and I can count now. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Okay, how about number? The number, come on, it's taking too long. Need a 9 here, need a 1 here, and yeah, 4, no 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. Here can eliminate. I'm thinking 4. Need a 4 here. 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Yes! 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in one of those two boxes in the column next. On that column, no. Need 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So no 8 there. The only place left with 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Okay, need an 8 here. Well. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So 2 numbers left here, the 9 and the 8, okay. How about these two missing numbers? 3 and 9, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, a middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. The last column, the only place level 9 should be there. The 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 9 should be there. The 9, oh well. I cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in this last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 4 goes together with 8 as a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, only place level 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Well. Alright, we have here 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. The 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 4. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have 8 in this first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only place level 8 should be there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. I can continue with the 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. Then One box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. I believe the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6. In the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the same numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. 1 minute more. Well, than the previous Sudoku. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.